Hello guys, my name is XProGamerZ and you are watching my video right now. Guys, today I'm gonna tell you that how to change your Google Chrome theme easily. So all you have to do is click on your settings, go into it, scroll down here, and in appearance option click on themes. After clicking on theme, you can go here, click on home, go to themes, search about the theme you want. I'm searching about MSI. Yeah, MSI. Here they are. You can search about anything. I like this one, so I will add this. As you can see, it is downloading. It will take a little time. And here it is. The theme is downloaded. So it is how you can easily download a theme. It's very easy. So how to remove it if you don't like it? You can change it by the same method, but how to remove it? So all you have to do is go to settings again, click on reset to default. So now you can see it is removed. So that's very easy. I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.